Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will be presenting about our project, which is institution building. So, for the first, we look at our table of contents. First, we got building plan. Second, we got laws, regulation, and standards. Third, we got impact analysis, environmental, safety, and legal consideration. Fourth, we got green building feature, and fifth is our team. Okay, let's look at our modular classroom. This is a plan of what we already plan to do, which is a modular classroom. Our plan of building for institutional building for tuition. Okay, first we got three classroom on the left side and another three classroom on the right side. We got office, two bathroom, and multi-purpose room, and then another two bathroom and office on the other side. Okay, now we start with law, regulation, and standard. Understanding of law, significance, and purpose. The Uniform Building Bylaw (UBBL) 1984 are a set of detailed regulation enacted under the Street Drainage and Building Act 1974 Act 133 to control the design, construction, and maintenance of building in Malaysia. UBBL provides uniform technical and safety standards to ensure that buildings are safe, functional, and suitable for occupancy. These bylaws cover essential aspects such as fire safety, means of escape, ventilation, lighting, accessibility, building materials, and building services. For institutional buildings such as schools, universities, hospitals, and government facilities, compliance with UBBL is especially critical due to the high number of occupants and continuous public use. Next, we got Street Drainage and Building Act 1974, Act 133. Function and purpose ensure institutional buildings are structurally safe and fit for public use. Prevent risks related to unsafe construction, poor drainage, and inadequate maintenance. Protect building occupants, especially vulnerable users such as students, patients, staff, and visitors. Significant and application, design approval. All architectural, structural, electrical, and mechanical design must be submitted to and approved by the local authority before construction begins, ensuring compliance with Act 133 requirements.
After that, I will be presenting on BOMBA and local council standards as well as premise and location standards for a tuition center. First, under BOMBA requirements, fire safety is very important where the center must install active fire systems such as smoke detectors, exit signs with battery backup, and fire extinguisher. In addition, there must be at least two clear exit roads, and if the center is located on the first or second floor, the staircase must be wide enough to handle crowd evacuation. The walls between the tuition center and nearby shops must also be fire rated for about 1 to 2 hours to prevent fire from spreading. Next, for premise and location standards, tuition centers should operate in commercial buildings or shop houses, while operating in the residential areas requires special approval from the local authority, PBT. The location must not be near hazardous areas such as chemical waste site or noisy workshop, and it also avoid being close to distracting places like cyber cafe or gambling premise. In conclusion, these standards are essential to ensure safety and provide a suitable learning environment. So next is impact analysis. Environmental impact. Institutional buildings such as universities, schools, and hospitals operate for long hours and accommodate a large number of occupants daily. Therefore, the proposed building design places strong emphasis on reducing environmental impact and promoting sustainable resource use. The building incorporates energy efficient system, including LED lighting, motion sensor in classroom and corridor, and high efficiency air conditioning system. The architectural layout maximizes natural daylight and cross ventilation, reducing reliance on artificial lighting and mechanical cooling. This measures significantly lower energy consumption and carbon emission throughout the building operational life. After that is safety consideration. Safety is a critical design priority for institutional buildings due to high occupancy levels and the presence of vulnerable users such as students, patients, elderly visitor, and person with disabilities. The building is equipped with comprehensive fire system including automatic fire detection and alarm systems, fire extinguisher, hose rails, and clearly marked emergency exits. Fire-rated staircase and adequate means of escape are provided to ensure safe and efficient evacuation during emergencies, in compliance with the Uniform Building Bylaws (UBBL) 1984 and fire safety requirements.
Let's get into Green Building Index. Firstly, we took into green building features. The Green Building Index, or more known as GBI, is Malaysia's first comprehensive rating system for evaluating the environmental design and performance of buildings. Existence of GBI makes a huge impact of every type of building in Malaysia for the sake of the environment. GBI principle will significantly lower monthly tenaga nasional berhad bills and create a much healthier space for students to study. Let's look into energy efficiency for GBI. We could change the LED lighting, so we replace all the fluorescent tube with LEDs, and we use motion sensor in toilets or storage room, so the lights are left on. Secondly, we use energy efficient AC, that we install inverter type air conditioner with 5-star energy rating from Suruhanjaya Tenaga. Thirdly, we use temperature set point, that we could maintain the AC at 24 Celsius to 36 Celsius is the green standard in Malaysia that balance comfort and energy saving. The benefit of GBI is for LED lighting. LED help reduce power consumption, and sensor help by only activate when a person enter a certain area like toilets. For inverter AC, 5-star energy rating show that efficiency of power that used are lower than a normal AC, so we could save a lot of energy. Lastly, for the temperature set point, the temperature that been set could maintain the room comfort longer and could use less energy for the future. That's all for our team. Abkori, Hakim and Hafiz. That's all.